Hello, welcome to another video. Today is pretty simple. Just go to your YouTube studio, okay? You know why you're here. You read the title, you saw the thumbnail, you know what we're gonna be doing here. Alright, so basically what we no. So this is gonna be a tutorial on how to use your YouTube studio comments, because this has been a problem lately. So if you're like a little YouTuber, maybe not little, but like you'll understand how you have a bunch of comments, but like some videos don't have comments enabled. I will show a computer and mobile tutorial on how to do that. So basically on computer, all you got to do is click on the little pencil when you hover over one of your videos. So it's going to take you to the details. You got your title, your description, thumbnail, which you can only do on normal videos. This is just a YouTube short. Restrictions, the visibility, the subtitles, end screen, which is like when the video is over, it'll display like something. I don't know who would do that on a short, but alright. Then you got like your cards, which is basically you can add something and it'll appear in a random time in a video. Nothing you really need. This is your audience things, made for kids or not, whatever you want to do. I don't know. This has anything to do with your video, you check it. If not, you don't. Yeah, you're gonna always want that enabled. I want that enabled, I guess. I mean, that's at least for me. Tags are like things about the video, such as this video is piano, music, songs. I don't even know, like, just whatever that you want to do. Okay, that's basically all that is. Something. Song. I believe this is the, yeah, Rushy. No, not Rush Ew. Yeah, that's a new song. Rush Ew. Ew, 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 ew. The recording date, of course. This was yesterday. You can do that. I don't do this, or the license is always standard unless you do something else. The category is what the video is. So this is actually not film and animation. This is music. And then, all right, here's your comments thing. So it's actually the thing all the way at the bottom. Also, this is your show how many viewers liked the video, sort by whatever. So right here, so most YouTubers, like for instance, Bubble Plays here, this video right here, comments disabled. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna go over here. So for her, what this page will look like is this. It'll be selected on that. So you can make it where it hold all comments for review, and then you have to go to your comments, and then there's that review tab. Or you can have it where it's hold potentially inappropriate ones, and then you can increase the strictness. Or allow all comments. But if it's like really bad, it'll get held. So yeah, that's how that works. It's basically your video and stuff. If you want to delete a video, I'm pretty sure you know how to do that. You can delete. I believe this is how you make an ad. Link, title, description, apparently download. Yeah, whatever. We don't really care about that. Your percentage of how your video is doing. Yeah, it's doing well. Anyways, then you got your analytics, of course. Yeah, for me, they're all over the place. Yeah. You're getting it behind the scenes right now of my channel. I've used mobile a lot for this stuff. I've never actually audience. This is, I don't know what unique viewers are, but this is like your returning viewers, which I don't get a lot of, and then new viewers. Subscribers, which is always a good part. Oh yeah, so if you ever want to get to that one screen, oh yeah, this is your viewers on YouTube, how much is subscribed and not subscribed. For me, I'm doing fine. Yeah, about the why is my age so low? But yeah, that's basically, you could change the date of it, like when, research, content, I think it's over review. Yeah, so right here you got your, this, so you could see live count. That's how you get to this thing. You can also change the date of this. 365 days. I will show you my channel growth. So right here you got that. About May 8th is when I started, 1 subscriber. Okay, 7, 50. I stuck around in like the 60s for a while, and then I just started like I just started rising and rising and rising. Had a little peak right here. It's not showing. There was something that happened where I went to 600 and then back down to 300. But we don't need to look at that. But anyways, how do I get the X? All right, so then like yeah, blah blah blah, top comment or content. All right, then like you're held for review things will go here in your comments tab. You got your mentions. If anyone mentions you in a video, this is where they all go. New re-upload. You should go check it out. Mostly for school. Subtitles. I don't care much about this. You can. It's pretty easy. Copyright. If you get like a removal request, it'll appear here. Your money. If you can make money, these are the requirements. You need to have 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 public watch hours on normal videos in the last 365 days, or 10 million on shorts in the last 90 days, and then all this and stuff, and then channel review. Customization. This is the main like thing of your channel. This is like how your channel will look and all, and then like the trailer, and then returning subscribers. So then you also got your branding, your image, your whatever, the banner, and then the thing at the bottom. And then your basic info like your name, your your description, the channel URL, which you can change if you're like a bigger YouTuber. I can't even do it yet. Links that will appear on your banner. First 5 links. There we go. Email address for content. I just put it down there because it's not a business email. Because if I was to visit my channel, you can see how all this is basically what determines how any of this looks. Like you can see like song edits, popular videos, other channels. Song edits, popular videos, other channels. So that's how that works. Then your audio library. I don't look at this much, but this is for audio you can put into your videos. A lot of it says it's copyrighted, but it's not actually copyrighted sound effects. You can search anything like. Yeah, we're good. You could star them if you like it a lot. You can say yeah. Nothing too bad. And then in here you got your currency. You can change your channel, keywords, advanced settings, all that. This is just all for you to look at. I don't worry about upload defaults, permissions. Yeah, we're good. Community, you can add different. Yeah, I don't know who they are, but for some reason they're there. Oh yeah, and then you got blocked words. Just yeah, we don't. Yeah, you could put words in there that aren't meant to be said. Approved users, standard moderators. You could do that and stuff here. That. So this is what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to go to your community, comments on your channel, allow all comments in your settings. Maybe that'll help. Maybe more exclusive. I don't do that. Agreements. Yeah, we're good. So yeah, then you got your dashboard, which just shows you the main things. Your current subscriber count, your most recent video, and how it's doing. Latest comments that you have not reacted to. Recent subscribers. Wow. Okay. I haven't checked this in a while. Alright, well, you know what we should do? Because I don't get all these notifications. Let's see. This man. Interesting. We're just going to give all these people a good, subscribe. Ooh, this sounds interesting. Oh, Burger King. It's art stuff. Oh yeah. Give me that bell. I'm gonna check you out. Oh. All right. Ripping. What is Zyro YouTube? Ooh. This seems interesting. What's your most popular? 10K. It's nice. Okay, this is interesting. I'll click that bell. Who is this? Food videos. The Robin Slayer. His thumbnail just makes him look big. Or not thumbnail, this. Oh, yeah, I've seen this dude around. Okay, yeah. I I don't think I've subscribed to him. Yeah, there we go. Well, now I'm subscribed. Alright, more subscribes. Subscribe. Yeah. We must subscribe to all of these. Whoa. What's going on here? Oh. Trunk. I don't know who that is. We're gonna subscribe. Subscribe. Woohoo! All these people. Subscribe. Sub. Oh, everybody's getting a good subscribe. They're all gonna have a really good subscriber. Look at all these dudes. They got little subscribers. Oh, this dude looks cool. Yeah. Just gonna, yeah, there we go. Cool. How about the last 365 days? Lex Pro. What's that? I just beat my mic. Interesting. Yeah, we've seen all that. Hey, it's thank you. He's a cool man. You should go check him out. I'll put him in the description since he's in this video. He's not at his channel is at least. You should go check him out. He does a lot of cool stuff, kind of like I do. Bubble Plays, of course, always in the description of all my videos. Gotta go check her out. My re-uploads channel, yeah. Almost any YouTuber, if they have another channel, they're gonna subscribe with any other old ones. And ooh, Alan. Alright, we've seen all of those. Some new guys. Yeah, another person. Just gotta make sure I'm subscribed to all of my subscribers. You know, it's like a trade. You know. All right. What about lifetime? Will there be any more? Doesn't really look like it. Oh yeah, it's Blank. You should go check Blank out as well. He's cool. Confused. Yeah, the Confused Gorilla Tag. Go check him out too. I'll put him in the description as well. He's cool. My cousin Easy Clap Cam. Go check him out. You better go subscribe to him. Yeah, all these people, all these amazing people. And I see that doors will probably be, will be the best. But yeah, that's basically the desktop tutorial. Let's just go ahead and launch up a little cool thing of mine. Then we're just gonna go ahead and make it where I can just show you the mobile thing on my computer. So I'm in my mobile thing. I just gotta go. Alright, so this is my cat's thing. I guess I'll put her video in the description. So this is my weird me. This is the God, my eyes, man. For any of you cool people, you're gonna want to go there, click on your settings, and put the dark theme on. For any of you cool people out there, you're gonna want to do that. So this is your settings. You do not have as much accessibility on the mobile as you do in the desktop. So yeah, you got all that, your content down here, which is your video. You click on it, you get the three dots, delete, play, edit, share, sort by most viewed, visibility. This doesn't do well. Most of them are public. I do have some private ones on mine. The views, stupid restrictions. That's nothing you need to worry about. And your shorts, live, playlist, community post would be over there, I believe. But yeah, all right. So then to do the comments here, you click on the video, and you see here you're gonna want to click the pencil up here. Then your thumbnail would be changed right here, this little pencil up here in that corner. Then your description, which you can ha ha ha. Yeah, that you can edit that. Your audience, visibility and stuff. And then down here you got your more options. Tags, category, comments, and more. You're going to want to click on that. And right here you can do your tags, cat, animal, something amazing you must watch because this is such a cool video. And yeah, stuff like that. The category, this is not comedy. This is not people and blogs. This is pets and animals. Right here. So right underneath the category, you got comments. For anyone, it would look like this. So I think it's because it's like, if YouTube looks at you and it's like, oh, it's a kid. Yeah. So you're going to want to allow all. Yeah. But yeah, that's basically it. See you guys later.